Hello everyone. Are you looking for a best drones? These are the best drones on the market today. Please like and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get new video updates. Number 5. Autel EVO Nano Plus. The Autel EVO Nano Plus is a cutting-edge compact drone that redefines aerial photography and videography. Packed with advanced features, this mini marvel boasts a 4K UHD camera with a 1/2.3-inch CMOS sensor, ensuring breathtaking image quality and stabilized video capture. With an extended flight time of up to 30 minutes, it offers ample exploration opportunities. Equipped with obstacle avoidance technology, the Nano Plus navigates confidently through challenging environments, making it ideal for both novice and professional pilots. Its compact design, foldable arms, and lightweight construction make it incredibly portable, ensuring adventures can be taken anywhere. The drone offers intuitive controls through a user-friendly app and supports intelligent flight modes, including Follow Me, Orbit, and Waypoint navigation. The Autel EVO Nano Plus is a game-changer for enthusiasts and content creators, delivering an exceptional aerial experience in a pocket-sized package. Number 4. DJI Mini 2. The DJI Mini 2 is a compact and powerful drone that takes aerial photography and videography to new heights. Weighing just 249 grams, it is ultra-portable and doesn't require FAA registration, making it accessible to drone enthusiasts of all levels. Equipped with a 4K camera on a 3-axis gimbal, it captures stunningly detailed photos in silky smooth 4K video, even in challenging conditions. The Mini 2 boasts a 31-minute flight time, giving you ample time to explore and create. Its enhanced motors provide stability and reliability, ensuring a safe and enjoyable flying experience. It features intuitive controls through the DJI Fly app, making it easy for beginners while offering advanced features for experienced pilots, including quick shots and panorama modes. With GPS and smart return-to-home functions, the DJI Mini 2 is both dependable and versatile. It's a game-changer for anyone looking to capture breathtaking aerial shots without the hassle of a larger drone. Number 3. DJI Mini 3 Pro. The mini-sized, mega-capable DJI Mini 3 Pro is just as powerful as it is portable. Weighing less than 249 g and with upgraded safety features, it's not only regulation-friendly, it's also the safest in its series. With a 1/1.3-inch sensor and top-tier features, it redefines what it means to fly mini. 3 Pro sports a completely new look that is optimized to get more out of every flight. With larger propellers, an aerodynamic body tilt, and a powerful obstacle sensing system, the streamlined design allows for increased flight time and safety. Number 2. DJI Air 2 is a groundbreaking drone that redefines aerial imaging capabilities. Sporting a 1-inch CMOS sensor capable of capturing 20 MP photos and 5-point video at 30 fps, it sets a new standard for image quality in the consumer drone market. Equipped with obstacle sensors on all sides and the AirSense ADS-B technology, it ensures safe and confident flying. The Air 2S offers impressive flight performance with up to 31 minutes of flight time and a top speed of 19 ms/s. Its intelligent features include master shots, focus track, and smart photo, making it user-friendly for both beginners and professionals. It also supports 10-bit log-M and H, 265 video encoding for advanced post-processing. With enhanced HDR capabilities and OcuSync 3.0 transmission technology, the DJI Air 2S delivers unparalleled image quality and reliable connectivity, making it a top choice for aerial photographers and videographers. Number 1. DJI Mavic 2 Zoom. The DJI Mavic 2 Zoom is a high-end drone designed for aerial photography and videography. It features a 12-megapixel camera with a 1/2.3-inch CMOS sensor and a 2x optical zoom lens. The drone can fly for up to 31 minutes on a single full charge and has a maximum transmission range of up to 8 kilometers. It also has obstacle avoidance sensors in all directions, making it safer to fly in complex environments. The Mavic 2 Zoom is a great option for professional photographers and videographers who want a powerful and versatile drone with advanced camera capabilities.